Hello everybody, welcome to my 5th tutorial for Visual C# with Visual Studio, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to write files, or write text to files, and name your own file. And in this one I just made the GUI already, so we don't have to watch me, make all the buttons and the text boxes and the labels and everything. So for this one, I put a clear exit, and then this creates the file. Clear and exit, you already know how to do that. If you don't, go back to my other tutorial to learn how. So now for the create text, I already made the event. I'm going to do, first of all, I already did it, but you'll want to put using system.io. It's not in there to begin with. Just don't forget to do that when you first start. And then for this one, I'm going to make a string, which is file name. Just can hold that variable. File name is text box 1.text, whatever you put in there, and then stream writer. This is our makes an output file for us, and then I'm going to do output file is equal to create text. Oops, I forgot. File dot create text. Important. No, not that. And then create text. I don't know why I did that. Okay. And then we want to put in the name of the file, so it's your file name, whatever you named it. So now we go down to output file again, and this time it's write line. So whatever you put in that text box, so it's text box 2 dot text. Pretty simple. And then this is very important. You want to make sure that you close it. So output file dot close. So then the text will actually get written to the file. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to try all of this, and this is like make sure that you actually wrote it to the file. Docs.show again, and then the text was successfully written to a file. So now, yeah, that just says you wrote it to a file, and then otherwise it'll put this exception message, exception ex, and then message box dot show, and it'll show another default message. And I forgot. Okay, so now it's good. So now let's try it out just to make sure it works. So now name. Just gonna type my name in here real quick. So create file. Okay, so the text was successfully written to a file. And then how do we know that? Well, you simply go up to File, Open, File, and this is our file for this project, and then Debug, and then here it is. So there's my name. Now, unfortunately, when you do this, I can make another one called name, and then create file. So, oops, I don't know what that was, but anyway, and then I can create that file, and it'll do that. But then, say I wanted to delete this and add, somebody like Chase. Well, it will write it, but it will delete the whatever you put in there before. So here, I'll go to bin. So it didn't keep my name. Well, if you want to write more than one thing to a file, you just simply do append text and not create text. And then you can do, text box 1 dot text is equal to, or actually no, text box 2 dot text. So then you can clear it, clear all that, whatever text you had. And then we don't need this in the button 3. And then you can say, text box 2 dot text, or no, dot focus, yeah. And then that, makes the cursor go into the box. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'll just show you what it means. So the name, Zachary, create file. Then see, it just makes it go in there so you don't have to click in there yourself. It's not that big of a deal, but it kind of makes things a little easier. And then, so now you can clear that and then exit. And then, and then you can also, again, and then okay, so now it should have put my name twice and Chase's name in there. So now, file, open, file, and then name. Okay. Oh well, it's a lot more than I thought, but whatever. Yeah, anyway, it just shows you that you can do more than one, thing without having to type out a whole thing in here and then, having to delete it and everything. So it's just easier. You can keep on writing text. So, yeah, that's all for this tutorial. And a verse for you guys. I have Hebrews 4:16. Let us therefore come boldly under the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace, help in time of need. So yeah, and I hope you all had a good day at church too, and please subscribe and see y'all later.